Welcome! In front of me is a ZTE Blade V70 Max, and today I'll be showing you how you can put this device into recovery mode. I am going to be sounding very agitated because this is the 5th time I'm trying to record this garbage. So, anyway, to get started, hold your power button and from the boot options select power off. Now when the device turns off, hold power button and volume up at the same time. Now, we're gonna be praying that the camera doesn't disconnect from the SD card for no reason, again, and that the device decides to boot into recovery mode, because apparently that doesn't always happen. Now, once you see the ZTE logo, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up, and lo and behold, it actually did boot into recovery mode this time. Yay! I am now one step closer to actually recording this. Anyway, in here you can use volume buttons to navigate up or down, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Going over the options, we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. Then we have reboot to bootloader, which takes us to fast boot mode, just like the actual fast boot mode does. Then we have apply updates from SD card, wipe, data, basically factory reset, enter safe mode, view logs, run tests, and power off. So I'm gonna stick with the first option, confirm it, and this will now bring me back to Android and just a way of leaving the recovery mode. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.